Hello everybody, welcome to Step Up Lives and ChatGPT series making your job search very easy. We will understand what prompts you can give ChatGPT to prepare for a specific organization interview. Today we will target maybe an organization like Amazon where I will ask ChatGPT in a particular prompt format that what are the most frequently asked questions in Amazon interviews for a position of a software developer. Let's quickly see if I customize it, what kind of a detailed response do I get. If I go to ChatGPT and I put that what are the most common asked questions at Amazon for a software developer role, let's see if it is able to give me a customized answer, right? Let's quickly get into it. I'm sure ChatGPT will do a great job here. Let me just try to put this question to ChatGPT. Today, if you see current interview questions, they are not able to access, but I'm sure they are helping us with some of the most commonly asked questions in the history of Amazon for their interview sections. For example, software development cycle, hash table linked list, what is a good principle of a software design, and tell me a time about when you had to work with a difficult team member. These are some of the questions that are actually very apt for an Amazon interview. So you can customize this question to make it what are the most commonly asked questions in a job interview at TCS, at Infosys. You could customize your ChatGPT search and make your life easy with a good, easy job search. If you like such videos, share it with your friends, comment your thoughts, and do not forget to hit that like button. Thank you so much and bye bye.